The engine's ready to come out. Everything's disconnected. I got the hoist connected. And let me tell you, I am extremely nervous right now. Let's see what's underneath here. Wow, look at that, dude. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the next day. It's nasty and rainy outside, so thank God we have the storage unit to keep us warm and dry for today anyway. We're gonna get back to tearing apart this engine. We're gonna get a closer look at the bottom end, and you can see the crankshaft. I'm gonna try to remove the pistons and all that. So let's get to work and stop talking, man. Let's go. Off. This is the timing cover, timing chain cover. Timing chain cover is off. Timing chain. Oil pump and pickup tube is officially off. We're not reusing that, or this for that matter. I'm just trying to get it off. Before everybody has a heart attack, I'm not reusing the timing chain or this sprocket, so I'm gonna have to use this and try to get it off. All right, so in my previous videos, I was using gloves that were too small actually. So I thought extra large might be too big. And so what I did was I took a chance, bought the extra large gloves and tried them on, and look, fits perfect. It's not too tight at all. So we'll see if they actually hold up or not.
They don't.
So what do you think? Do the gloves hold up? Probably not. It's better than nothing. This is where it's going to be crucial to keep everything in order, because you want these to go back on the same way. But I don't think we're going to be reusing these, but just in case we do, I'm going to keep everything the same. Because the engine is upside down, then everything's the opposite way, right? So cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to start with cylinder number 1. So once again, I left my little socks that I would put over this at home to prevent it from scratching the crank. I should have brought them, but if we go slow, we should be okay. But that sucks, I forgot them. I think it's mainly important on the install. So here's the piston, and outside of having buildup, man, looks like everything's in good condition. If you look right here, there's a number 1, so that's piston number 1. If you look on this side, this says 5. I was gonna kind of look at each piston as they come out. I mean, it looks good. Nothing broken or cracked. Some tiny scoring here, but I think that's because maybe the oil possibly wasn't changed like it should be, and that's probably what caused that. This piston looks good too. A little bit of scarring here, but that's probably normal. Once these are all out, we're gonna have to soak them in the greaser, stuff like that. Get all the oil off, clean them up nice and shiny. Looks good. There's number from front to back, and the arrows denote which way they should face. 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and then 5 over here. There it is. Hey guys, just wanted to break in right here real quick and let you guys know that at Anderson Ford Motorsport, for the month of January, from January 1st, 2026 through January 30th, 2026, you will be able to get 7% off any small block Ford camshaft. That's right, you can get it chopping right with the code OGCAM. That's right, it's OGCAM. We'll get you 7% off any small block Ford cam at Anderson Ford Motorsport. So let's get it started right. Catch you later. You have to pull the cam out very carefully so that you don't nick the cam bearing. You want to keep it as straight as possible and take it out really slow so you don't nick anything. It's the advantage of having the pistons out. You put your hand inside the cylinder and kind of guide it out. Here's the cam, B303. It's the B cam. Looks good. There's no scarring per se. So what I'm doing now is kind of running my hand inside to check for any like ridges or anything like that, any scarring that there might be. But so I'm gonna do that on each cylinder. But from sight, you can see you're looking here with the right light where it's been honed out. See the little cross hash marks. But each cylinder looks to be pretty good. I don't notice any scarring. All right, before we go, I wanted to kind of point out that this block is numbers matching to the car. We know that because in this little flat area right here on the back of the engine, on the top where the bell housing kind of mounts right here, there is a stamp with the last six or seven digits of your VIN number will be right here. That identifies this block as belonging to that car from the manufacturer. And so if you look right here, it's really faded, but if you look right here on this one, from what I can make out, the last few numbers do match. The other ones are really faded. What we're gonna do is maybe on the screen, they'll put up a picture of this area along with like numbers of what they should be. And you can see for yourself that the numbers do match even though they're super faded. What's gonna happen is like, since it's down to the bare block now, literally it's all apart now. It's just the block except for, you know, the cam bearings and the crank bearings are still there obviously. But outside of that, it's all apart. Everything's out. And it's sitting over here, right there. So I do want to point out that the machine shop is going to hot tank this block and they're going to clean it off. So I'm not sure if the hot tanking is going to actually strip all the paint off and everything, but it should clean everything off, like all the remainders of the gaskets and stuff like that. That's why I'm not really concerned about actually cleaning it up and degreasing it myself, because they'll do it. So with that said, I hope you guys have a great day and we'll see you next time on OG Superfly Garage.